right here, these are actually clouds associated with Hurricane Hermine. These clouds, of course, are just fair weather cumulus clouds. Has nothing to do with Hermine at all. These clouds are associated with Hermine, and that storm in about 2 or 3 days is going to stall off right off the coast and just bomb into a major hurricane possibly. They're saying because the waters off New York City are very, very warm due to the recent heat waves we've been having, and basically the entire northeast corridor, the water temperatures off New York, New Jersey, Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, the entire mid-Atlantic are running 5 to 6 degrees above normal. And well, warm enough for a hurricane to just form, actually. Not even to survive, but actually develop. That's why the hurricane will actually strengthen off the mid-Atlantic coast. And actually the storm's strongest point will not be at the time it made landfall in Florida. The storm's strongest point might actually be off the mid-Atlantic coast. The good news is the models are indicating that the storm will never really come on shore. It's just going to sit there and meander before being kicked out to sea by an approaching high pressure, an approaching low pressure system. So we'll probably get some of the stink from the storm. Some gusty northeast winds, some very severe storm, coastal flooding and beach erosion will be extreme, especially with a Category 2 hurricane sitting right off the coast. I mean, there's a chance the storm could retrograde west and go close to New Jersey Monday or Tuesday, but more likely the storm will head out to sea after sitting there meandering for about 24 to 48 hours. The further south and east it goes, the more likely it will sit there for longer. The further north it goes, the quicker it will get out of here because it'll be closer to the low pressure system. So before I go, I'm just gonna my prediction for New York City Sunday is going to be cloudy and breezy. Northeast winds at 20 to 25 miles per hour, with gusts up to about 35 miles per hour, increasing to about 45 miles per hour overnight. We will have gusts of tropical storm force, gusts maybe 50 miles per hour right along the coast. Gusts up to 50 knots offshore. Monday will be more or less the same, cloudy, windy, with a chance of a couple sprinkles of showers. Same thing for Monday night and Tuesday. Will also be cloudy and windy, and things should be settling down by Wednesday. We will not see a lot of rain out of this event, as most of the rain will be concentrated offshore. New York City could get about a quarter to half an inch of rain from this event. Keep in mind, it's going to be very windy. You're going to have the Jersey Shore is going to have very severe beach erosion, coastal flooding, storm surge. The storm surge might not be extreme, but you will have battering surf for days upon end. That will cause a lot of coastal flooding. A lot of coastal communities might be impacted by this. The National Hurricane Center might issue a storm surge alert for this event. And probably tropical storm warnings will need to be issued. We're already under a tropical storm watch. Even though we're not going to get hardly any precipitation from the storm, the winds will be likely at tropical storm criteria. So a warning will probably be issued by tomorrow morning. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.